chests, right?
Yeah.
3 chests. And imagine, like, okay, say, hey, I want to go on a journey to go find some stuff, but I have all these chests, or like you're in a mine, right? Like, say you're in a mine.
Yeah.
Sit your dog down so you can look at me. All right, so take a look in these chests. What do you see? What do you see, young man? What do you see? Well, not that chest, not that chest, but this, like that chest. You see tools, you see flowers. There's a lot of stuff in there, right? Like, there's a lot of it.
Is this gonna like go somewhere? Are we?
Yes. Hold on, young gentleman, because I am actually advertising this. Okay, so look, see, there's so much stuff, and you gotta go up, right? And you have all your pretend those are oars, and they're oars, right? But you can't take it up. But with packing tape, you can pack up your. You can
turn it into a really ugly present.
No, you can pack
Christmas
up your
is
chest.
coming, so like I really appreciate this, but
you can pack up your chest, and you can pick it in a box, and you can put it down, and then you can unwrap it, and then you bring it up to the surface. Jason, it's packing tape.
Can we like retexture these so that they don't look like terrible Christmas presents?
No,
like maybe a little more festive,
it's packing
like blue
tape.
and green and red.
It's like duct tape, but for packing.
All right,
Isn't this amazing?
I love your enthusiasm, but when are we gonna use this?
Okay, so you know how like.
Are you suggesting that we're gonna move now?
No, I'm saying
I mean,
that
I've spent a lot of time on this house.
No,
so
I'm
I really
saying
would like
that
to know if we have like moving in our
if we were
future.
down in the mine, and we wanted to bring up our oars, we wanted to bring them up. This is what we use. We use packing tape. It's a good mod, Jason. It's really good. I love tape. It's really Jason, dog, you believe in me, right? Dog, you have to sit through my. Oh no! Cow. All right, so look, packing tape is the future of the mods. All right, this is great. Packing tape has to be the best thing I've ever. I love this. I'm in love. I love this. This is the best thing that's ever happened to me in my life. Aside from being with you, I guess, but this is pretty awesome too.